Hello everyone. So today's problem is special digits. So the statement is saying you are given 5 integers n, a, b, c, d. Let us say all the integers of length n having only a and b in their decimal representations are good integers. Also among all the good integers, all those integers whose sum of digits contains only c and d are best integers. Find the number of best integers of length n. Okay, and since the number best integers can be huge, to print modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So we have to complete the function called best integers, and the argument of the function is n, a, b, c, d. So let's discuss about the question, then we'll code it. First of all, we have to consider all the possible cases of integers of length n having only a and b. So let us say n is equal to 5, right? And a is something and b is something. Okay, so the possible cases are like 5b, the number can be contains only 5b, or on a 4b, or 2a 3b, 3a 2b, 4a on b, and last case is 5a, right? Only 5a. So these are the possible cases for n is equal to 5. So the sum of the first case is what? 5 into b, right? And for second is 1 into a plus 4 into b, right? So for general case, let us say first of all we will start a loop for loop from what? 0 to n. Sum of the digits of the integers for all the cases will be what? For general case, I into a plus n minus I into b, right? This is the sum. For on case, like for first case I is equal to 0, for second case I is equal to 1, and so on. This is sum, right? Now we have to check if sum only contains c and d, then it is good sum, otherwise this is not. Okay, so let's see if, so we'll check through while loop, and while sum is greater than 0, and we'll check like sum modulo 10 is equal to c or d. If c or d, then it is true, otherwise false. Then we'll check it till sum not equal to 0. Then if sum is good, okay, if good. So if sum is good, then we have to, if sum is good, then we have to consider all the possible cases of each cases. Like for I is equal to 1, okay, for I is equal to 1, 1a and 4b. So let's say a is at index 0 and b 4b, right? This is on case. If b is at 1 and okay, so this is another case, so on, right? So we have to consider all the cases. Okay, so for this we can use NCR formula, binomial NCR formula. Okay, and I'm assuming that you guys know, right, what is NCR and how to write NCR function and mod inverse function. So we can write the mod inverse and NCR function. Okay, so this is not our main topic. The topic is like, this is not our main topic. So what we are going to do, then we will calculate the value of NCR and we will add to a function called answer. Okay, answer add NCR. Okay, after I is equal to n, the loop will end and we will return the value of answer, right? So this is our approach. So let's write the code. Okay, so first of all I will declare a constant value int I mod is equal to 10 to the power 9 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? Int. Then we'll write ModInverse function. So I'll skip this part, ModInverse and NCR function. You can write it. Okay, so let's write. So for this study long ModInverse long long period. Return 0 while a is greater than 1, long q is equal to a by p, long p is equal to p. So modulus function. Now we write the so now we write where p is modulus, right? So if for loop from where in I is equal to 1 to I less than equal to 1, right? I plus plus. Okay, so now fat I is equal to what, fat I minus 1 into I modulo p, right? Modulo p, and then nothing just long inverse of r is equal to what? Mod inverse of fat of r comma p, right? And long inverse of nr is equal to mod inverse of fat n minus r comma p, right? So done. And now return fat n into inverse of r modulo p into inverse of nr modulo p, right? So done. So now NCR and ModInverse function is done. So now let's write the base number function. Okay, so in this base number function the argument is n, a, b, c, d. So let's create a variable called answer is equal to 0, and now a for loop from what? From I is equal to 0 to, as we discussed, I is equal to 0 to n, right? And now I plus plus. So we discussed about case, right? That int sum is equal to what? I into a plus n minus I into b. Okay, n minus I into b, right? And then let's create a boolean best and false, and now check if the sum is good, like best or not. So while sum is less than 0, okay, if sum modulo 10 not equal to c and sum modulo 10 not equal to d, right? Then best is equal to false, sorry, had true, false, and break the loop. Okay, and sum divided by 10, that's it. Now if best, if sum is best or good, let's create good. Okay, not best, good. Okay, so if sum is good, then just answer plus NCR past n, I and m mod. Okay, and answer modulo 10 mod. That's it, and just return answer value. So return answer. So let's, I guess everything is correct. Okay. So now run and compile it first. Okay. Oh, this one's capital and small, sorry. So now check long and int, sorry guys. Okay, so everything is fine. So let's now submit the code. Okay, so this is absolutely correct. Thank you for watching, guys.